When it comes to making money, there are a lot of options out there. Flipping phones is one of them. This means you buy a phone cheaply and then sell it for more money. It's actually pretty simple. Here, we'll talk about 3 ways you can do it. Number 1. Buy and sell used phones online. If you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, flipping used phones online can be a great option. Since there are so many online markets like eBay, Amazon, and Craigslist, the options are endless. But how do you turn a profit when buying and selling used phones? The key is to find phones that are in high demand and purchase them at a low price. This means doing your research and keeping an eye out for popular phone models and unique features that people are willing to pay top dollar for. One way to find phones that are in high demand is to look at their resale value. Popular phone models tend to hold their value well, so if you can find one at a low price, you can sell it for a profit. Also, phones with special features like high-quality cameras or the latest technology are always in demand and can sell for more. Once you have purchased a phone, it's important to ensure that it's in good condition before reselling it. This may involve cleaning the phone, replacing any broken parts, and ensuring that it functions properly. By doing this, you can increase the resale value of the phone and make a larger profit. But where can you find used phones to buy? Online marketplaces are a great place to start, but don't overlook other options such as garage sales, thrift stores, and even your own friends and family. You never know when someone might be looking to get rid of an old phone that you can turn into a profit. Flipping used phones online can be a profitable business if you're willing to invest time and effort into finding the right phones and making sure they're in good shape before selling them. By doing some research and looking for popular phone models with unique features and using online marketplaces, you can turn your hobby into a successful side business. Number 2. Buy and sell broken phones. Did you know that you can make money flipping broken phones? It may sound strange, but it's actually a pretty clever way to make a profit. When people drop or damage their phones, they often assume that they can't be repaired, and they sell them for a very low price. But with some technical skills and a few tools, you can buy these phones, fix them up, and resell them for a higher price. To get started with this method, you'll need to do some research on phone repairs and make sure you have the skills and knowledge necessary to fix common issues, such as cracked screens, battery replacements, and water damage. You may also need to invest in some tools, such as screwdrivers, pliers, and replacement parts. Once you have the tools and skills you need, you can start looking for broken phones to buy. You can search online marketplaces like eBay or Craigslist, or you can even ask around to see if anyone you know has a broken phone they'd like to sell. Look for phones that are still in good condition aside from the damage. If the phone has too many issues, it may not be worth the investment to repair it. When you've purchased a phone, take some time to carefully assess the damage and figure out what needs to be fixed. You may need to do some research to find the right replacement parts or watch tutorials online to learn how to fix specific issues. Once you've repaired the phone, take some photos and write a detailed description to make it clear what you've done to fix it up. Then, you can list the phone for sale on online marketplaces or through your own website or social media channels. One of the benefits of flipping broken phones is that you can often get them for a much lower price than you would for a new or used phone in good condition. And because many people don't know how to fix their own phones, you'll have less competition when it comes to reselling your repaired phones. Plus, by giving new life to old phones, you're helping to reduce e-waste and promote sustainability. While flipping broken phones can be a bit of a gamble, you never know for sure what the repair process will entail. It can also be a fun and rewarding way to make some extra money. With some technical skills and a bit of creativity, you can turn what might have been trash into treasure. Number 3. Buy and sell new phones. If you're looking for a business opportunity that involves buying and selling new phones, this method might be the one for you. Unlike the previous methods, this one requires some initial capital to invest in purchasing new phones at a wholesale price. But don't let that intimidate you. With some research and negotiation skills, you can make a profit and grow your business. The first step is to do your research on the latest phone models and find out which ones are in high demand. This is important because you want to purchase phones that people actually want to buy. Look at trends and customer reviews to see what phones are popular and why. Are they known for their long battery life, high-quality camera, or user-friendly interface? These are important factors to consider when deciding which phones to purchase. Once you have identified which phones are in high demand, you will need to negotiate with suppliers to get the best price. This might take some time and effort, but it's worth it to get the best deal possible. Reach out to multiple suppliers and compare their prices and terms to see which one will give you the best return on investment. Remember, the goal is to purchase the phones at a wholesale price so that you can sell them for a higher price and make a profit. Now that you have purchased the phones at a wholesale price, it's time to sell them. You can do this by setting up an online store or selling them on popular e-commerce sites such as Amazon or eBay. When setting up an online store, make sure that it is user-friendly and has a secure payment system to ensure that customers feel safe and confident in their purchases. As you start to sell the phones, it's important to keep track of your inventory and sales. This will help you identify which phones are selling well and which ones are not. It will also help you plan for future purchases and ensure that you have the right amount of inventory to meet demand. Purchasing and reselling new phones is a profitable business for those who have some starting funds to invest. To succeed, it's essential to conduct thorough research, bargain with suppliers, and monitor your sales and stock. With perseverance and effort, you can transform this business idea into a money-making enterprise. Thanks for watching. As you've seen, flipping phones can be a great way to make some extra cash. Whether you're buying and selling used phones, broken phones, or new phones, the key to success is finding phones that are in high demand and purchasing them at a low price. With a little bit of research, technical knowledge, and hard work, you can turn this business opportunity into a profitable venture. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start flipping some phones.